Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject in term 3 lesson 3 air we breathe. A new topic, water pollution. Contamination of water bodies as a result of human activities is known as water pollution. Contamination of water bodies occur when harmful substances such as chemicals, sewage and waste are related to it. Provides physical, chemical and biological change in the quality of water. It degrades the water quality and renders it toxic to living organisms. Drinking polluted water has serious negative effects on human health. Let us brief about the causes and effects of water pollution. Let us brief about the causes and effects of water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, for example, lakes, rivers, ozones, aquifers and groundwater, very often by human activities. It occurs when pollutants, particles, chemicals or substances that make water contaminated are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies without enough treatment to get rid of harmful compounds. Causes of water pollution. First one, domestic waste. Dumping of household waste into water. Dumping of household waste into water. Second one, rivers are changed into dustbin. Rivers are changed into dustbin. Third one, solid waste. Solid waste causes blockage in the flow of water. It causes water as well as air pollution. It causes water as well as air pollution. Polythene is the main solid waste. Polythene is the main solid waste. Do not use pesticides near seas or ozones. If you use chemicals and pesticides for your gardens and farms, be mindful not to overuse pesticides and fertilizers. This will reduce runoffs into nearby water sources. Dispose of garbage properly. Always dispose of your garbage in the correct containers. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable pollutants consist mainly of organic matter from domestic sewage. They are decomposed by microorganisms naturally or can be artificially decomposed in chemical treatment plants. Excessive biodegradable waste in the environment leads to problem in dispersal or recycling, posing a threat to the environment. Non-biodegradable waste. It includes plastic bags, long chain detergents, aluminum cans, glass and phenolic chemicals which can neither be decomposed nor recycled. These are used only for filling land. Other causes of water pollution: sewage and wastewater. Sewage is the term used for wastewater that often contains feces, urine and laundry waste. The sewage and wastewater that is produced by each household is chemically treated and released into sea with fresh water. The sewage water carries harmful bacteria and chemicals that can cause serious health problems. Pathogens are known as a common water pollutant. The effect of water are different types. Water pollution are complex and in many cases not well understood. Different organisms may respond different to the same type of pollution. Some form of pollution are long lasting while other are short lived. Other factors such as temperature, rainfall and water flow may influence effects of pollution. One thing is certain, different types of pollution can affect the environment in many ways. These are the effects of water pollution. Do you know, children, distilled water and boiled water have no taste. The pleasant taste of drinking water is due to the presence of dissolved substances which include air, carbon dioxide and minerals. The largest source of water pollution in India is untreated sewage. On average, a person uses 135 liters of water per day for washing clothes, cooking and bathing. Water is precious and it is essential for all living organisms. But today almost every water body is polluted with waste ranging from plastics to toxic substances. All of us can take immediate steps to save our precious water bodies from pollution. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.